Want to make $100 a day with AI, but tired of hearing the same tools over and over again? In this video, I'll show you 5 secret AI tools that are powerful, free, and barely anyone is talking about yet. No experience, no budget, just smart tools and real money-making strategies. Let's get started. First is Writesonic, a powerful AI writing platform. You can create blog posts, product descriptions, and copy cold emails. It's perfect for freelancers. Just go to Fiverr or Upwork and offer writing services. Use Writesonic to generate fast, high-quality content and deliver it in minutes. Easy $20 to $50 per job. Next is Steve.AI, an AI that turns text into full animated or stock style videos. Just paste your script, and it creates the video for you, music, voice, visuals and all. Use it to start a faceless YouTube channel, sell explainer videos to clients, or create promo content for small businesses. Charge $30 to $100 per video, with almost zero editing work. Designs.AI is an underrated goldmine. It lets you create logos, full brand kits, social media designs, videos and voiceovers, sell branding packages on Etsy, Fiverr, or to local clients. You can even bundle logos plus Instagram posts for $50 plus per client. Then there's NightCafe, an AI art generator. Pick a style, write a prompt, and boom, beautiful artwork in seconds. What to do with it? Sell on Redbubble or Teespring. Use for print on demand, t-shirts, posters. Offer custom AI art packs on Gumroad or Etsy. Some creators earn $5 to $20 per piece. Scale that, and you're at $100 per day fast. Finally, Bookmark is a website builder powered by an AI assistant called AIDA. Describe what you want, and it builds a full website for you in 30 seconds. Use it to create landing pages for your offers, build sites for clients, $100 to $300 each. Start an affiliate blog with AI content, no coding, no templates, just results. So there you have it, 5 secret AI tools that can help you start earning $100 a day in 2025. You don't need money. You don't need experience. Just the right tools, and the will to start. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe for more daily AI tools here on 808 Tech Daily. See you tomorrow.